In this video, I'll show you how to save notifications on Android using notification history. This can help if you accidentally clear a notification and want to view it again later. First, open the Settings app. Tap Notifications. Now look for Notification History. On some phones, this may be inside Advanced Settings. Tap Notification History. Turn it on. Once this is enabled, Android will keep a history of recent notifications. Now, when you receive notifications, they can be viewed again from this page. To check them later, go back to Settings. Tap Notifications. Open Notification History. You should see recent notifications grouped by app. Keep in mind that Notification History usually only starts saving notifications after you turn it on. It may not recover notifications that were cleared before the feature was enabled. Some phones may also have slightly different wording, depending on the Android version. And that's it, you've now turned on Notification History to save notifications on Android.